This is Cindy Manier with the Doodle Book Creator. Today I'm going to show you how to use our This Journal Belongs To page tool. To access the tool, click on Interior Tools, This Journal Belongs To tool. The first thing you're going to want to do is select your trim size. If you've previously uploaded some clip art that you want to add, you can select it from your files and add it to your page. You can select any of the items on the page. You can make them bigger or smaller or move them around. You can recenter them. For our text elements, you can change the font size and you can change the font. Once you get the page the way you want it, you can either download it as a PDF or save it to your files. If you save it to your files, you're going to be prompted to give this file a name. I'm going to call this one Heart Belongs to Page. Click on the OK. Now if I go to my files, Account, Files, the page will show up here. It'll automatically add the size. This was a 6x9 page, so it added 6x9, so you know what size the file is. You can also drag and drop images onto your page if you have them on your desktop. You can resize them up and down, recenter. Then after you play with it and get everything just the way you like it, you can click on the Download PDF button and download the page to your computer. If you click on any of the items and grab the little box on the top, you can rotate it. If you click inside the text blocks, you're able to highlight and change any of the text you would like. You could also select the lines and rotate them, make them bigger. Click on Add Text, you can get another text block, highlight it, change it to whatever text you want, make the font size bigger, rotate it around if you want. You can also add lines and more text. If you want, you can change the color of your text. Each one of your text blocks you can change individually, and you can also change the color of your lines if you wanted to. If you ever want to get rid of something, select it, click on the trash can, hit confirm, and you can delete it off of the page. If you want to add another graphic, just drag and drop it onto your page, resize it, move it around, and put it where you want it. Once you get it the way you want it, you can click on the Download PDF button and download your page to your computer, or you could also save it to your files to use later in the Journal Builder tool. If you have any questions, you can ask them in our Facebook group, or you can reach us through our contact form on our website.